Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we got in a 2021 Vauxhall Vivaro, a couple of years old, and it's just had a service, so we need to reset the service light. So I'm going to show you how to do that right now. Okay, so you can see the clocks here. You can see our little spanner light just there. If we flip the ignition on, you can see there it's overdue a service, so we're just going to reset that now. So this little button here with the arrow and the spanner, if you turn the ignition off, if you press and hold that button and then flip the ignition on, you'll see a little counter counting down from 10 to 0, 3, 2, 1. There we go. Reinitialization done. Then we'll just flip the ignition off and then back on again. Start her up. And that's it. That's how you reset your service light on a Vivaro. This is the new style one. So if that helped you out in any way, please hit that thumbs up, hit that subscribe button. Plenty more to come, and I'll see you in the next one.